Attention Cincinnati residents, if you need a quality plumber at a great price, call 513-273-1205 right now. We are typically 30 to 60% less than the big guys because we don't have added expenses such as rent or warehousing. But what we do have are vans that are fully equipped with machines, tools, plumbing parts, and fixtures. We also provide free estimates, and our drain care and plumbing is guaranteed. Last but not least, we are licensed and insured. So what are you waiting for? Call us right now at 513-273-1205 to get quality plumbing done at a great price.